Hello, this is Fortnite and Emoji and TikTok, and I got some bad news. DOF TIATE doesn't work. So instead, to cope with the fact, I found this pack of Pokemon cards at the big lot. So I thought to cope with it, I could open up some Pokemon cards, and I haven't got any Pokemon cards since like 2009, so maybe a little bit rusty, but for old time's sake, I will open up a new pack of Pokemon cards, and that will be the last one I open for 20 years, and that is it. If I get any else, then that's too bad, because I am going to not buy Pokemon cards, because that makes me seem like a big fat loser. And I am going to open the pack of Pokemon cards right now. So we got the pack of Pokemon cards. I'm gonna open it. So it's a little big. Okay, so I got the cards out. So looks like we got Rayquaza X. It good. I can't read this one. Can't read that one. I know that look good to you guys. Did this look good to you guys? Got this one. Oh, holy crap! 5,200. This seems like a pretty good. Oh, I got messed up. I got Palkia X. That looks like a yeah, that's okay. I got Jolteon with like a weird star. I don't know, guys. I haven't done this in a long time. You got this one, whatever this is, and this one, whatever this is, and we got the NK and Raikou. Wait, you got two of them. Legend, okay. And then, oh, looks like got the same thing right there. Whatever this crap is. I can't read that one either. Yeah. Charizard. And let's see the last one. Now before I go, guys, I want to tell you that it's been a pleasure these past years talking about DOF TIATE and why it's the best, and it's really sad for my loss back then, the file overflow. But let's just see the last one. I hope that'll be good, but if not, I guess I'll die. 3, 2, 1. DOF TIATE!